Before planting tomatoes, sprinkle this in planting hole, and your tomatoes will grow like crazy. The internet is full of too good to be true gardening myths. Nowhere is that more evident than in the wild and completely unbelievable answers to the common question, what should I put in my tomato planting hole? Imagine a secret ingredient hidden beneath the soil, one that provides a magical boost to your plants, especially your beloved tomatoes. This natural wonder not only enriches the soil, but also nourishes your plants, leading to stronger stems, vibrant foliage, and bountiful fruits. One of the wonders of this mystery substance is its ability to provide essential nutrients that tomatoes crave, like phosphorus and calcium. Phosphorus promotes strong root development, ensuring your tomatoes have a solid foundation to thrive. Meanwhile, calcium helps prevent blossom end rot, a common woe among tomato growers. Now the secret is out. This mystical ingredient is none other than bone meal. Made from finely ground animal bones, bone meal is a powerhouse of nutrients for plants, offering a slow-release source of phosphorus and calcium. To harness the magic of bone meal for your tomatoes, simply sprinkle a handful into the planting hole before placing your tomato seedlings. This ensures that as the roots grow, they'll encounter this nutrient-rich boost, setting them on the path to healthy growth and abundant harvests. So, the next time you're tending to your tomatoes, remember the hidden gem beneath the soil that's helping them reach their full potential: bone meal. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.